Welcome back, everyone, to another episode of Crypto Market Forecast, where we dive deep into the trends, stories, and forecasts shaping the digital asset world. I'm your host, and today we're covering the latest stormy weather in the crypto markets, some good news from the institutional world, and even some insights on the trading behavior of crypto holders. So let's jump right in. Let's start with a market update. We're seeing some stormy conditions in the market right now, especially around Bitcoin, Binance Coin, and Avalanche. Volatility is high, and things are looking pretty bearish for the next 24 hours. Now, this isn't just limited to these three. Other major altcoins like Ether, XRP, and Polkadot are also facing downward pressure, though it might not be quite as intense. So, it's definitely a time to exercise caution if you're planning on trading within the next day or so. But let's zoom out a bit because, looking ahead, the forecast gets a little brighter. Over the next week, we're actually expecting some sun to return for Bitcoin and Uniswap, which could mean a bit of a bullish turn for these two. However, other coins, specifically Avalanche, Dogecoin, and Litecoin, may continue facing some rain or rather bearish trends. And then there are Binance Coin and XRP. These two might see a slight improvement, but nothing too dramatic. So overall, it's a mixed forecast for the next week. Now, let's switch gears and talk about what happened with Tether over the weekend. The market had a bit of a scare on Friday when rumors surfaced suggesting that the U.S. government might be investigating Tether, the issuer of the USDT stablecoin. This sent a wave of panic through the markets, causing a noticeable slump in prices. However, Tether CEO quickly responded, stating that the rumors were false and that Tether isn't under any investigation. This reassurance helped the market bounce back, with Bitcoin up by about 1.1% in the last 24 hours. And as of now, Bitcoin is up a solid 61% for the year. Speaking of Bitcoin, here's an interesting piece of news. BlackRock, the world's largest asset manager, now holds over 400,000 Bitcoin in its spot Bitcoin ETF. That's more than 2% of Bitcoin's total supply. This move signals a real interest from traditional finance in crypto assets, especially when you consider that 14 out of the top 30 ETFs launched this year are focused on Bitcoin or Ethereum. That's a pretty solid endorsement of crypto by traditional finance, and it could mean more stability for Bitcoin prices in the future as more institutional money comes in. One final insight I wanted to share with you all. According to a report by A16Z Crypto, only a small percentage of crypto holders, fewer than 10%, are actually active traders. So, while we often think of crypto as this highly dynamic and traded asset, the reality is that a large portion of holders are just that, holders, not traders. But as the crypto infrastructure improves and new applications come online, it's expected that more of these dormant holders will become active participants. And that could definitely have some interesting effects on the market as we head into 2024 and beyond. All right, that's all for today's episode of Crypto Market Forecast. Thanks so much for tuning in. If you enjoyed today's market update and want more insights like these, make sure to subscribe and follow us on social media for daily updates. Until next time, stay safe out there in the crypto weather, and remember, trade smart, stay informed, and as always, happy investing.